guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bruna. So today is an exciting day. I am going to be reviewing the YSL lip collection. Oh, why me? Why me, guys? Why me? YSL sent me this beautiful box and it's full of amazing lipsticks. They have a new collection called the Plump-in the lipstick. Anyways, I'm gonna explore it with you guys and show you guys what's in this pretty little box. I'm gonna swatch them, I'm gonna wear them. We're gonna have fun exploring lipstick today. Comment down below if you're a lipstick hoarder or if you're a lipstick lover, because your girl, me, I'm a complete lipstick hoarder. I think I have like 400 lipsticks that I've bought on my own. I literally bought 400 of my own lipsticks, even though I'm blessed to get a lot of PR now. Thank you. I'm so blessed for that. But 400 lipsticks on my own with my own money. If you guys want to see a collection of my 400 lipsticks that I bought with my own money, just, you know, tell me and maybe I'll do a whole try on of 400 lipsticks. I wonder if anyone is ever gonna want to see that, but I'll just do it because why not? Why not? Let's go ahead and explore. I got my cell phone. We're gonna go ahead and go onto my Sephora app and let's go ahead and look up this YSL lipstick. I love giving you guys a screenshot of what I'm looking at because why not? This is so fun to do. So this is the new Volupté Plump-in. So if you guys want to explore this lipstick with me, don't forget to subscribe. I can't remember if I said that already, but don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Okay, you guys, so this is the Volupté. I don't know how to say it. I'm not French. But if you are French and you know how to pronounce this, please break it down for me down there. But it's Volupté Plump-in-Color Plumping Lip Balm. They're $39 for lipstick. There was a time where I did not think I would ever be able to afford a YSL lipstick. I used to remember, oh my gosh, this is such a vivid memory. I used to have this girl that like didn't really like me, which is nothing new. Girls not liking me. People don't like opinionated people. I'm very opinionated and I stand up for myself and I don't let anybody bully me. So she was like basically kind of a bully. And I remember her like just always like putting me down because I would wear like, you know, MAC lipstick or I wear Maybelline lipstick or I wasn't really into like YSL or Chanel and I couldn't wear stuff like that. You know, I couldn't afford it. So she would just like show off that she could afford it and I couldn't afford it. And it was like very rude. Like, I don't know, you know, like when you know, like, I don't know, like I never discriminate against any brand or make it a big deal on any brands that I use. Like I'm a girl, I'll use Maybelline and I'll use MAC on the same face and I'll wear a YSL lipstick with like a Maybelline foundation. Like I'm one of those girls. I am not brandy at all. But this girl was very brandy and she was showing it off to me. And I'm gonna admit, I did feel bad. Like I felt low when she was making it seem like I couldn't afford something or, you know, you can't afford this or I'm better than you. Whenever anybody does that to you, it does make you feel low, right? So I felt low and I just was like, you know what? At that day, I was like, one day I'm going to buy myself a YSL lipstick. I never did buy myself a YSL lipstick because, you know, being a grown-up started to kick in and $40 on a lipstick started to feel like something I really couldn't afford and I had to pay my rent. But then fast forward, I'm so blessed now that I can actually purchase a YSL lipstick and I can actually live my dream life. And if only I could tell my younger self that, girl, like you can have anything you want, I would have saved myself so much stress when I was a kid, when I was young. And I wouldn't have been so like unhappy sometimes because, you know, you feel unhappy when you can't do something or you don't feel worthy enough. I just wish my 21-year-old self had the same mentality that I have now. But we live and we learn, right? But anyways, it's not story time. It's, you know, we're testing out lipstick, okay? So it's $39, which is pretty affordable. Everyone says that these lipsticks are amazing. It already has 33 reviews and it has 4 stars, almost going to 5 stars, which is pretty cool. This is an online only product, so you can only purchase it online only. So what is this? It's a multi-masking lip balm that gently volumizes and richly nourishes while dressing lips in high shine luscious color. As you guys can tell, I'm into the gloss right now. I've been having a little glossy moment. No, for else it's just dry as hell and I just cannot picture myself putting on a matte lipstick on my dry lips because my lips be hella dry right now. Highlighted ingredients. It has peppermint oil in it, providing a cooling sensation. A hyaluronic acid hydrates and locks in moisture. Coconut oil. I love coconut oil. And it nourishes the lips. What else do you need to know? YSL's first hybrid formula. So it's a hybrid formula. Features a volumizing black heart-shaped core wrapped in... Ooh, it has a heart shape in it. So that's really, really cool. How to use? You basically just lather that baby on and bada bing, bada boom. It has amazing reviews already. Out of 33 reviews, 4.5 stars already, which is pretty impressive. So, and 1,900 people like this. So let's do this. So let me start off by wiping off my current lip color that I have on my lip. This is the shade 4, and I think this is a really popular color. It's the True Coral one. It's so, so pretty. If you can see that. And then you guys have to see the infamous heart shape right there. That is so gorgeous. OMG. And obviously you're not going to get like a super, you know, pigmented. It's a balm. Oh my god, it smells divine. This is definitely not my color, but I mean, I'm going to try it on still. Oh my god, it smells so juicy. It's so luxe. Oh my gosh, it really does cool. Like, you could literally feel you could feel the plumping. It feels, oh, it feels good. Imagine being in a kissing session with a guy and you just put this lipstick on. He's gonna be like, I mean, come on now. So this is color number 4. It's a True Coral. That actually looks good. I feel like I had to put on a couple of swipes to make it look good on me. I had to put on like 2 or 3 swipes and it just looked good. But it's a lip balm, but it feels so good, you guys. The sensation is really nice. I can actually feel my lips plumping, and oh, this is nice. Like, okay, so I'm gonna go into the next color. Look at how plump my lips look. Ooh, those look juicy. Number 5 is a Delirious Orange. This is Tangerine. So it's Tangerine, and it's number 5. I'm gonna open this for you guys so you can see it. So that's the color. So pretty. Ooh, that looks really good on my skin tone. Okay. Oh, it just glides on so nice. I really like this tangerine color on me. If you're a brown girl, I definitely think, or you're a darker complexion, I would skip the coral. Even though the coral looked really nice, this tangerine just is a vibe. Like, it's such a vibe. It's so freaking pretty. If you're a brown girl, I would go with tangerine. So number 5. Down in the description box, I'll label them like what I think a brown girl should get, or fairer complexions, what complexions I think these will look good on. Although I think I can rock any color. I think any skin tone can rock any color. I'm really against that whole color per skin tone. I feel like it just depends on the person, on what your preferences are. To me, I feel like this tangerine one looks really good on me. The next color that I'm going to try on is number 6. So it's the red color. This is a Lunatic Red. It's a blue red right here. That's a blue red. It's called Lunatic Red. That is pretty. So excited to try this one on. But my lips are so plump right now. They're like so pepperminted out. Woo! I really like this. Like, this is really nice. Like, I love how it's plumping my lips up. I've tried other plumping agents, and nothing works as good as this one. My lips are like over plumped right now. I think they're just like, girl, calm it down. But I mean, this red looks so good on me. Like, what you think? This color that I'm going to put on is number 2. And this is a dazzling fuchsia. I love fuchsia, so this must look good on me. But it looks like a really hot pink though. Like, look at that one. That's really pretty. Oh, that fuchsia looks good. It looks more pink. I was expecting it to be a little bit more like Voom, but it's more of a pink. But I mean, it still looks really nice. I mean, it looks good. Okay, so the next one is number 7. I think this is like a golden one. This is a Furious Gold. It's a golden color. I definitely think I'm not gonna like this shade. There's nothing cute about a gold shade. But let's see. I think it's just not gonna look good on me. It's gonna look like melted ice cream on my lips. Doing it for the internet. As I suspected, it was gonna look like melted ice cream on my lips, or even like concealer. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but I think I would like it with like maybe a lip liner and then this in the center. It definitely doesn't look bad. I'm surprised how all these colors really do look good on my skin tone, which is pretty amazing. Like, it's very versatile for all skin tones. Like, this is so cute. Okay, so we found number 1. Well, it was in the case, but I just didn't know it was there. This is, what is number 1? It's a matte nude. It's a universal warm nude. Now, when you say universal, that's a big deal. So this better look good on me, YSL. It looks really pinky. It doesn't look as nude, but it's a warm nude. So, I mean, it's still a very pretty color. Let's go, you guys. This is the last lip color I'm trying on because my lips are screaming. Because they're just like, ooh, a lot of pump. I mean, average people aren't going to put on 6 lipsticks at the same time and, you know, let their lips die. Especially if it has peppermint. Even though I've tried on like 6 lipsticks in a row, wiped them off. I was pretty rough when I wiped them off. My lips still feel nice and hydrated and just, they feel good still. Like, they're brightening a little bit. Like, you know, the peppermint's like, I think I did an overdose of peppermint on it. But I mean, this is just so nice. Yeah. Has a nice minty peppermint flavor to it. Oh my god, this is so pretty. This is number 1 in warm nude. I like how this one looks on me. I think my least favorite one out of all of them was coral, and then all the other colors I really liked. Even the coral still didn't look that bad. I just wasn't a fan of it. It just didn't look that good on me. But every color that I tried on so far was actually a really good color. I really liked it. And this is warm nude. Guys, so what's my final verdict on these lipsticks? Let me tell you guys. I think it's great. For $39, I think it's not bad. I think you just need one. You don't need all 6 colors. But if you want all 6 colors, then go ahead and purchase them. All the links will be down below for you guys to try these out. I think they're online only, so you would have to purchase them online. But I would say it's definitely worth it. The packaging is just phenomenal. Like, look at how luxe and beautiful that packaging is. If you're a person that's really into packaging like me, I love packaging so much. Like, that is so cute. I'm gonna decorate these, like, when I do put, like, you know, when I do put scenery back there, I'm actually going to put these and just have them in display like that. I'm gonna wipe them down so none of my fingerprints are on it, but that's really pretty. I think the packaging is really nice. If you're someone who just really likes a really good nourishing lip balm that is gonna keep your lips so hydrated and plump, this is definitely the one that you need. Definitely isn't like, if you're into like really pigmented lipstick, this is not for you, because the lipstick is like very sheer. It's very lip glossy. It's very, you can still see your skin, your lip tone underneath. If you're looking for something like that, this is not for you. But if you're wanting a really nice lip balm that actually plumps your lips, this is the one for you, because it just feels divine. They smell divine. They're luxe, so it's definitely worth the buy. I really enjoyed these. And you know, with YSL products, that was a hit or miss with me. I did get these in the mail, you guys. They did send these to me. YSL does send me PR, but I always keep my reviews very honest. You can go down and look at all my YSL reviews. I never ever like will say something's good if it's not. It's just not my style, and I hope you guys appreciate that about me. There have been plenty of YSL products I haven't liked. I've always thought that their concealer and their lipsticks are by far the best. They also have some new slim lipsticks that they came out with that I want to review on the channel too, and like just try out all the colors. That will be up pretty soon as well. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know, comment down below if you guys have tried these. Have you tried any YSL products? Have you tried anything that's YSL? Let's talk about it down in the comment section. If you have any product recommendations that I should be trying out, or any reviews you guys want to see that's coming up, go ahead and comment down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you so much, and thank you so much for participating and watching my video. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.